In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable device driver automatic update in Windows 11. It should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and start. First, open up the search menu, type in settings, go ahead, open that up, and under system, you can scroll down. Click on about, and after you do that, just go ahead, keep scrolling down until you find related links. And now just click on Advanced System Settings. Go ahead, click on Hardware, as you can see now, and select Device Installation Settings. Now you just go ahead, click on No, and click on Save Changes. And if you want to go back to it again, just go ahead, click on Yes, and click again on Save Changes. And that was how to disable device driver automatic update in Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.